Hey fam, so today I have a surprise for you. I just wanted to show you this quick hairstyle that I have here with my natural hair and also an extension. Yeah, so I added extensions to it and wait a minute for this. I just wanted to show you this beautiful ponytail extension. Is already twisted and I actually did this myself. I twisted this myself and so I just wanted to show you what I have. So if you are interested in seeing a full video on it, just let me know in the comment section below and I will dedicate some time to record the video. Thank you so much. And I hope you like this. Let me know if you want to try something like this on your hair. And yeah, this is something very simple and you would like it. Bye.